If you are not progressing in front lever, stop doing static holds. It's the same as you wanted to go 200 km per hour with small engine. You're never gonna make it. So in order to reach this high speed, you need to have big engine that will handle it, and not just handle it, but also reach it. And it's the same with calisthenics. In order to unlock front lever or any other skill, you need to have something to teach how to do front lever. So if you are not progressing, stop doing static holds, jump back to basics and build more muscle and strength for the actual front lever hold. Now I will show you a couple of exercises that you can do to unlock front lever by increasing your strength and building more muscles.
And paralyzed from what's around me. True story. Yeah. What's up with all the fakeness? Why can't they keep it real? Can see right through your bullshit, just like a broken seal. See, I don't trust no one. I never drop my fucking shield. The land of torment, rain and blood down every time I kill. I just live in the side of my head and
Hope you guys like this video, and if you are for example stuck at the advanced stack and can't get to the straddle, check out this video and see you guys in the next one.